In December 2020, NKT committed to the Science Based Targets initiative to become a net zero emissions company and reduce CO2 emissions by 5% on average annually. A significant part of the CO2 emissions are related to the internal logistics. In Karlskrona, the factory's production lines are running every day of the week. This requires an effective internal logistics system to supply the right material at the right time to the right machine, working reliable around the clock all year. The vehicle fleet consists of a variety of trucks and forklifts with a history of running on non-renewable power and fossil fuel diesel. Technology evolves, so does our fleet. Now, many of the vehicles have been replaced by ones driven by electric power, charged with green carbon-free energy. The ones still running with combustion engines have replaced the fossil diesel with renewable HVO biofuel, which takes down CO2 emissions by about 70%. It is a second-generation biofuel derived from waste cooking oil. These combined measures represent an average reduction of CO2 emissions of 145 tons every year, and is an important part for NKT to become a net zero manufacturing company. As a key provider in the development of the global power grids for the green energy transition, NKT is meeting the increasing market demands for low-emission, high-voltage power cable solutions. We connect a greener world and find sustainable solutions to run within our business.